See, the question number 15 is one figure is given over here. Shapes. One blue figure like this.
Sir, one check, sir. I have sent you.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
sir.
received. The question is like this only, no, Nihar?
Sir, actually the line middle is not there. Those two, the second and third part is not there.
Acha, this is not there.
No, so the second part, so that is there, but
Okay.
then the whole line is not there. It's there only on the first part.
Acha, this top part is there.
No, sir, it's there in the bottom part. Sir, wait, I'll send you again.
This is not. See, this is not there, right?
Yes, so that is there, but then the middle line is not there between them.
Okay, just send me what is there
Sir,
exactly.
I'll send you.
Because here it's not clear
It's
exactly.
not doubt. I just have to. I don't know how to. What do you call? I don't know
Yeah,
how
ask
to, what do you, root 5 on number line, sir.
the root 5 on a number line, real numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
So that will do this one when you're giving test. No, this one on Sunday.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
on that doubt question you can ask that, huh? Root 5 on a number line. Root 2, you know, root 2 on a number line.
Yes, sir.
Then root 2 same thing is there then. No,
Okay,
root
sir.
2,
So we just have to keep adding, right?
yeah,
2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah. And root, you know, 8.7. This one you can know, root 8.7.
No, sir. I don't know.
Okay, share the video. Actually, we have already shared. You can look into it.
Sir, there is no question, sir, with this diagram triangle.
This is actually of R.S. Agarwal, Sai Charan.
Sir, I
This is
sent you.
okay. This is of R.S. Agarwal, Sai Charan.
Okay, sir. Means that another.
Yeah, another book.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, Sai Charan. I mean, Nihar, I got it. This is the line. Then you are having this. Then we are having shapes. It's like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So this line is parallel to this line is given over in the question. So question is given as AB is parallel to CD. Question is AB is parallel to CD.
Yes, sir.
Right here A to B and C to D. This is parallel to each other. Next you have to prove that BAE angle BAE, then minus is there.
Yes,
Angle
sir, it's minus.
ECD is equals to angle AEC. Correct?
Yes, sir, that's what it says.
Yeah. So here is EAB CD. Huh. If this line is parallel, so what you did in that time is correctly only. If you draw one line over extended line over here, you can extend the line. Okay. Then BAE,
Okay, sir.
which angle is BAE? You are having the angle BAE.
90.
Yeah. You can't say 90. You can say 90. We don't know, no, that is 90 or not. Nothing is there, no, perpendicular or something like that.
Sir, I think we can say, sir, it is 90 because it is in the shape.
Because
Means it is in the shape like that, sir.
as a shape is there means we
Right
can say
angle.
90. ECD. ECD means this angle. If you subtract, you will get AEC. You will get AEC. This angle you have to get, right?
Yes, sir.
Now see, we'll extend. What we have to do here is we have to extend this line. This line is there now. We have to extend like this. What you have matched, that same thing you can match over here. Okay.
Okay.
Now this angle, let it be x. We can't say 90 degree. Okay, Sai Charan or Nihar. If this is x, so you can write here this is also x.
Yes, sir. Vertically opposite.
Okay. After this, if this angle is x, this is this, then this line and this line are parallel. If this is y, so we can say this is also y.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Corresponding.
If this is x, we can say this is 90 minus x. On a straight line, if you're extending that one, it's a straight line, right?
Sir, just now you told that we can't simply tell that it's 90 degree.
Yeah, I told it's not 90 degree, but what I'm saying, no, this is a straight line. I'm saying that E, and you can write here P. I'm just saying that EP is a straight line, correct?
Yes, sir.
If it is a straight line, so this can be said as 180 minus x. We can say 180 minus x over here.
Yes, sir. That we can say.
180 minus x. And this is y. Now angle BAE, or just put the value angle BAE LHS minus angle ECD. The BAE, that is x degree, minus ECD, ECD, that is angle y degree. X degree minus y degree is equals to what? This is your LHS part, right?
It's equal, yes, sir. It's equal to this angle AEC.
Yeah, wait. The here RHS part we write here. This we just solved for LHS. Now RHS part is angle.
Sir, we can write it as 180 minus 180, 180 minus, and then
Yeah,
bracket 180
exactly.
minus x plus y.
Yeah. Angle AEC. What we can write here? I'm writing here once again. AEC plus angle EAQ. EAQ plus angle EQB. EQA also you can say is equal to 180 degree. What will say here? Angle sum property,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Then we can write here as I'm writing here angle AEC, that we don't know, plus EAQ, that is 180 degree minus x. Then EQA, that is y degree is equals to what? 180 degree, right?
Yeah.
Without questions, sir, I couldn't hear you. Now you can hear. What are we doing now? Doubts of question based on lines and angles. Pustalia, we are doing question based on lines and angles. Extra questions based on lines and angles. Pustalia,
Sir,
can you hear me?
after this is the chapter over, sir.
Few questions are there of NCERT. No, wait, we'll do extra more questions. This is doubt of him, no?
Means
No, it's not over. Wait. Now angle AEC is equals to 180 degree minus 180 degree plus x minus y. So you are getting x minus y only. So LHS is equals to RHS. Is it clear, Nihar?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Yeah. So you can't say that is 90-degree because see so many questions they'll mention like that. But don't assume anything in geometry.
Sir, can we tell the x angle near A is 90 degrees, sir?
No, nothing is 90-degree over here. You can't say if they have not given question means, and if they're not given BA is perpendicular to EP and something like that, you can't say. By seeing the
Means-
question, you can't say this is 90-degree or like that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So geometry is not like you can simply can assume and you can do that. Not like that. It looks 90-degree, but if you can't assume, all right.
Sir, did you post the notes, sir, in Google Classroom?
Leo. Hello, I have updated right now. Tell me, Sai Charan.
Sir, have you posted the notes, sir, in Google Classroom? Means I have doubt in the property, sir.
Okay, fine.
That,
I've sent no already. Those notes I've sent to you already. Google Classroom.
sir, and okay, sir. I need to check.
Okay, fine. So next question is question number 16th, right, Nihar? Next question
Yes,
number
question number
16.
16.
Yeah. So question number 15th over, question number 16th. This is clear, not everyone. This is children. This is question number 15th of RS Agrawal actually. This is question number 15th of RS Agrawal. Now question number 16th. Question number 16th. So here question is, one figure is given over here, AB and CD. Just draw one figure. AB and CD. So AB is parallel to CD. Then EFG is mentioned over here. EF and here G is there. So right here E, F and G. So this line is AB and this is CD. So in questions given that AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, prove that P plus Q minus R. Prove that P plus Q minus R is equals to 180 degree. So what we need to do is, this angle in the question they have given that angle P is this much, angle Q and angle R. So P plus Q minus R is equals to 180 degree. We have to prove this. So what we can do one construction over here. We just one line you put here over this. If this part is X, so this part is Q minus X. Can we write it like children? They like this or not? Total angle is Q.
Yes, sir.
Can we write like this? Upper part is X, so down part is Q minus X. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So next part, what we can write here, if this is Q minus X, so this part is Q minus X, right? So we can write this one. What is this one? 180 minus, but this is not required here, right? See what we can
One-
write here. See from, if right here name is PQ. Right here name is what? Not PQ. P is already there. No, don't write some other name. Write XY over here. X is also there right here. Y and Z. Now in construction we write here construction. Draw a line PR. Sorry, draw a line QZ. Draw a line QZ, YZ parallel to AB as well as what? CD. Is it clear? Nihar and Sai Charan, Ashini? All of you on the camera, children, all of you on the camera.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we can write over here is YZ is parallel to AB and parallel to CD. Then I'm just seeing the only AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, considering AB is parallel to CD, so we can write here angle P plus angle X is equals to 180 degree. Can we write like this or not, children?
Yes, sir.
And name is co-interior angles. Name is co-interior angles. Right, Nihar?
Yes, sir.
Then if we can write here, if YZ is parallel to CD, so we can write here as angle P minus Q, angle, sorry, not P minus Q, angle Q minus X is equals to angle R. Angle Q minus X is equals to angle R. We can write here alternate interior angles.
Yes, sir.
Now what we do, R you bring on, this is first equation, and this again we can write here like this, angle Q minus R, sorry, EQ minus X minus angle R is equals to 0. Can we write like this? This is the second equation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then adding first and second, what we'll get, just see, adding first and second, we can do something here, adding first and second, what we'll get, adding first and second, we get it as
Angle P plus.
angle X, and then angle Q minus X minus angle R is equals to 180 degree, right, children?
Yes, sir.
Sir, adding the all three, sir.
No, all two. I have added, see, this much, this is LHS part, this is LHS part, and this one is RHS part. Okay.
Sir, then what about the, okay, okay. Yes, sir.
So angle P plus angle Q minus R. See, angle P is matching over here. What is given the question? Minus angle R is there. Okay. So this whole thing, can we write it as this one minus X, and this will get cancelled over here. This minus angle X and minus X will get cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can write here
Yes, sir.
angle P plus angle Q minus angle R is equals to 180 degree. Nihar, it's clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear. But then, sir, if these type of questions come in exam, then how do I start? It's going to be difficult for me to, like, do this and all.
See, these questions, no, I have no doing also first time actually. If you see, no, because if you know the concept, you can somehow you can apply. Okay, but ninth you won't get that much. But anyway, if you try, you'll get.
Okay, sir.
You keep on trying. See, this type of questions you tried, no, your mind will develop. That you can do. Understood? See, I also did the first time, because if you know the concept, we can somehow you can apply. Understood?
Sir, can you revise the angle, sir? Means co-interior angles, linear plane.
Yeah, I can revise, or you can see the videos also I have sent. No, 1 minute, I just sent. I sent already every videos and all I've sent to you, lines and angles.
I'm seeing in YouTube, sir, but I
Sir,
have
I
seen
didn't
only the
understand the
coordinate
part,
system.
sir.
Which part, Ritvik?
Sir, the three lines where we were relating with all interior angles, I didn't understand that part.
So you consider two angles only. Here the question what I did, that one or old one? Which one?
This
Which
one, sir, exact this one.
What I just solved right now, that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which part you are not understanding? Tell me.
Sir, the part where we were like this part, sir. If AB is equal to, I mean, parallel to CD, from there, sir. I
See,
understood the marking scheme where we took YZ.
see, this is given already in the question. What I given the question is AB is parallel to CD. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And we have to prove that this whole thing, angle P also, they only given angle P, and they have given only the angle Q, this completely, and this is angle R. They only given here.
Okay.
So relation, you have to prove that angle P plus angle Q minus R is equals to 180 degree. You have to prove that.
Okay.
So I did one construction that YZ is parallel to AB as well as CD. I did one construction over here that this line is there. No, this line is parallel to AB as well as CD. Then I've written this one.
Okay.
Sir, I think we can do directly, sir. Means not taking the third one. Means first you did angle P plus angle X is equals to 180, sir.
X we
Then
won't
angle
get only. If you want to draw, angle X, we won't get only. No.
no, sir. I'm telling that means you have taken that angle Q minus X is equals to minus R is equals to 0, sir. Without taking that, we can do. I think. Sir.
Do anything, no problem. And the geometry you can do in various methods, not a problem. You can
Yes, sir.
try.
Means we can do it like angle P plus Q is equals to 180 plus angle R.
You can send me
Then
after solving. You send me. I just tell you whether it's correct or not. Okay. You just
okay.
said solve by other method, not a problem, children. Okay. Solve by other method. I just check.
No, sir. No, sir. It is this method, sir. But I'm telling without taking the angle Q minus X is equals to angle R is equals to angle Q minus X minus angle
Yeah,
R is
yeah. You
equals
can
to
do.
0.
You can do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do by your method. Now question number Nihar 18th, right?
Yes, sir. 18th one.
Okay. You are getting Ritvik Sai. What is your name? Sai Ritvik, right?
So you can call me Ritvik.
Okay. One other was there, no? One more child is there. What
Sir,
is your
me,
name?
sir.
Yeah, sir.
Sai
His
Charan.
name is Sai Charan, so you can call me
Other
Ritvik, sir.
one more Ritvik is there. What is name? Your
Sahil, sir.
not Sahil. Except Sahil or more is there. What is your
Sir,
name?
Satvik, sir.
Satvik. Yeah, yeah. Satvik, right? Okay, well, right.
Yes, sir.
Sahil joined now. Now question is question number 18th. What is given? The question is new children joined. Who are they? Let me check. Ashini, Nihar, Pulastya, you are getting child? Satapati? Pulastya? Pulastya, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, I'm there.
You are getting something?
Yes, I'm getting something, so understanding it.
Okay,
Okay.
anyway, in the classroom we may get the whole this thing, YouTube channels and this one notes also. Can go through it, okay?
Okay.
Then next is Sirisha.
Sir, it's me, Satvik, sir.
Satvik. Okay, by Sirisha ID.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'll rename it.
Rahul. Who is Rahul over here? New child. Rahul, can you hear me? Muganti Rahul. Are you there, child? Can you hear me? So he can't hear me. I don't know why. Okay. So in this question number 18th, AB is parallel to CD. I'm just drawing here AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. And EF is the transversal. E and F are respectively, and a transversal T cuts them at E and F. So I want to make transversal over here. This is a transversal which cut it at E and F. AB is parallel to CD. Question, try to understand, children. AB is parallel to CD and T is the transversal. T cuts them and transversal T cuts them at E and F respectively. E and F respectively. Now they have given that EG and FG are bisectors. So we have to draw one line over here, EG. Draw one bisector over here, EG. This one is G. Oh my